Someone sent me a link to a fake website that allegedly sells dog meat. It has a bunch of pictures of cute dogs next to what is clearly steak and sausages. And they're saying, we sell this dog meat. And someone sent me this as a joke to troll me. And I've sent them a message saying, hi, do you ship internationally? I'm interested in buying some dog meat to Romania. And I posted a screenshot on the Twitter argument. It was a joke, as in, if someone's selling dog meat, I don't care what they do. But Elwood's Dog Meat, and I kind of wish I hadn't given them the shout out, because they sold the story to the newspaper that I genuinely thought they were a dog meat farm, and I stupidly was trying to buy dog meat because I'm evil. And the newspapers, obviously, which print anything bad about me, printed it. And I was like, for God's sake, I wish I didn't contact those people, because it was a joke. I wasn't actually trying to buy dog meat from them. It's not my meat of choice.